The Range Rover Velar fills the gap between the compact Range Rover Evoque and the larger Range Rover Sport in Land Rover's lineup. Its name, Velar, is a reference to the codename used for the original Range Rover during its development in the late 1960s. The Range Rover Velar boasts a design that is both elegant and futuristic. Its sleek lines, flush door handles, and a distinctive floating roof make it stand out in the SUV market. The Velar's design is an evolution of the Range Rover family, with its own unique, avant-garde approach. Elements like the slim LED headlights, flush door handles, and a choice of wheel designs add to its contemporary appeal. Inside the Velar, you'll find a meticulously crafted interior. The cabin is characterized by high-quality materials such as premium leather, brushed aluminum, and wood veneers. The design is minimalist and uncluttered, with a dual-screen Touch Pro Duo infotainment system that adds a high-tech touch to the interior. The seats in the Velar are comfortable and supportive, providing ample adjustment options for both the driver and passengers. The rear seats offer good legroom, making the Velar a practical choice for families. Overall, the interior reflects the level of luxury you'd expect from a Range Rover. The Range Rover Velar is equipped with Land Rover's in-control Touch Pro Duo infotainment system, which features two high-resolution touchscreens in the center console. The upper screen handles navigation, entertainment, and phone functions, while the lower screen manages climate and vehicle settings. The system is responsive and user-friendly, offering features like navigation, smartphone integration, and a premium sound system. Additionally, the Velar offers a range of advanced driver assistance and safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking, and more. The Range Rover Velar offers a range of engine options to cater to different preferences and performance requirements. These engines include a mix of gasoline and diesel options, and in some markets, a plug-in hybrid is also available. Here are some of the engines available. Available in various power outputs, this engine provides a balance of performance and fuel efficiency. Offering more power and performance, the V6 engine is a potent choice for those seeking a spirited driving experience. This hybrid powertrain combines a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor for improved efficiency and reduced emissions. Land Rover also offers diesel engines for improved fuel economy and torque, with various power outputs. The Velar comes with all-wheel drive, ensuring its ability to handle a wide range of driving conditions, from urban commutes to off-road adventures. It's worth noting that Land Rover's terrain response system allows drivers to select different driving modes to optimize performance on various surfaces. The Range Rover Velar strikes a good balance between on-road comfort and off-road capability. Its air suspension system helps to provide a smooth and comfortable ride on paved roads, while the all-wheel drive system, ground clearance, and terrain response system make it capable of tackling rough terrain when needed. The steering is responsive and well-weighted, providing a sense of control and confidence when driving. Overall, the Velar offers a composed and refined ride, which is in line with the expectations of a luxury SUV. As a member of the Range Rover family, the Velar maintains Land Rover's reputation for off-road prowess. With features like adjustable air suspension, terrain response, and a variety of drive modes, it can tackle challenging off-road conditions with ease. It offers excellent approach and departure angles, as well as a wading depth of up to 25.6 inches, 650 millimeters when equipped with the optional air suspension. The Range Rover Velar provides competitive fuel efficiency for its segment. The exact fuel economy figures depend on the chosen engine and powertrain options, but the introduction of hybrid and diesel powertrains has helped improve the model's efficiency. Land Rover offers a variety of trim levels and customization options for the Velar. These trims may include base models, R-Dynamic variants, and high-performance SV Autobiography versions. Additionally, the Velar can be extensively customized with a range of interior and exterior options, including paint colors, wheel designs, interior materials, and more. This allows buyers to tailor the vehicle to their tastes and preferences. The Range Rover Velar competes in the luxury midsize SUV segment, where it faces competition from other prestigious manufacturers like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and Porsche. It distinguishes itself with its unique design, off-road capabilities, and the aura of the Range Rover brand. The Range Rover Velar is a sophisticated and stylish luxury SUV that offers a combination of modern design, advanced technology, and the ability to venture off the beaten path when needed. Its premium interior, range of powertrains, and customization options make it a compelling choice for those seeking a versatile and prestigious vehicle in the midsize SUV category. With its blend of luxury, performance, and off-road capability, the Velar continues to be a strong contender in the competitive luxury SUV market.